So this is summary of trigonometry in solving triangle. Now, when I say solving triangle, I refer to three things. Either you want to find unknown length, either I want to find unknown angle, or I want to look for any area. So let's start. First, you ask yourself, is this a right angle triangle? Is this a 90-degree triangle? So this is the process flow because some of you ask me, teacher, when do I use sine rule? When do I use cosine rule? When do I use Tuakaso? Over here, there's going to be two answers. The first answer is yes. If this is a right angle triangle, then you should use Tuakaso. The two stroke means same lah. Unknown length, unknown angle. Unknown length, unknown angle. So if this is a 90-degree triangle, straight away use Tuakaso. And if I'm interested in area, I will use half base times height. I regret. I spell out, okay, I spell out. Okay, is unknown length or unknown angle. Now, the next umbrella here, excuse me. Is this a 90-degree triangle? If yes, I will use this two. If no, then I will have another umbrella. This one you will write down. Do you have a known pair of length and angle? Now, I would like to explain this box. So this is a very important box. This is a very important box. And I'm going to explain this box by a diagram beside it. Can you draw a triangle? Zoom in. Now, what do I mean by known pair and angle? That means this angle here I know. Where is the pair of length? I refer to this pair. Meaning to say, if you know this angle and if you know this angle and this length, most likely you'll use something. If you don't know, if you don't have, then you use something else. Okay? Now let me explain. So over here, you will have two boxes. This is yes. That means I tell you, you know one pair of length and angle. So what if it's a yes, what will you use? You will use sine rule. If it's no, then you use cosine rule. Can I huh? Can I share with you one question and we study together what to use? All done already? All done, huh? Oh. Alright, let's start. Example. Example. Oh. Example. I have a triangle this way. This is 12. This is 17. This is 40 degree. I want to find unknown. Alright, let's start. I want to find unknown length. First, ask yourself, do you have one pair of known length and opposite angle? This pair is length and opposite. Wait, I forgot a word here. Can I write a word here? Opposite. Opposite as in what? That means if this is 17, this is the length I'm looking at. I must know the opposite angle. Do I have? No. If this is the length, I must know the opposite angle. Do I have? If this is the angle, I must know the opposite angle. Do I have? No. So I use what? Cosine rule. Can you understand? Okay, I try one more. I try one more. I look at this triangle now. Do I have a known pair of length and opposite angle? I have this, I have this. What do I use? Sine rule. Once I have a known pair of angle and length, straight away I use sine rule. Okay? If I don't have, then I'll use cosine rule. So you can use this process to help you. By the way, where is the area of triangle? Under yes, I use half base times height. Under no, you can straight away use the area of triangle. Half AB sine C. So this flow will help you to navigate through all triangles.
Wait, but like no pair angle, right? Then how to find area?
If no, then no. Then use cosine rule.
Then how to find area?
Area of triangle is half AB sine C. Always half AB sine C. Whether is it you have known pair or no known pair, you also use half AB sine C.
Oh, so you
That's why it's on top.
must find one length.
You must find the length, and the included angle. So this flow is okay. For sine rule is you must have a known pair of length and opposite. Known angle and known length opposite pair. Then you can use sine rule. Otherwise cannot. You just use cosine rule. Right, let's start with binomial. Can I give you the set of notes? This one. Oh, I tried to put a tick and then the opposite I put a tick. This one. Area of triangle half AB sine C. Oh. Area of triangle. If it's 90-degree triangle, don't bother to use this. Use half base times height.